Hi, what's your name?
Bennett.
Hey, Bennett. And what grade are you in?
I'm in 7th grade.
7th grade. I saw you were working over there and doing some work on percentages. I also see that you kind of caught on to the mathnasium way of doing it. What does percent mean?
Percentage means a fraction of a whole.
A fraction of a whole. And if we take the word percent, each word actually tells us something very important. What does the word per mean?
I forget. I'm pretty sure it's
Well, if I say that I earn $10 per hour, that means I earn $10 for each hour that I work, right? And when you see the word cent, what number comes to mind? Like how many cents in a dollar?
yeah, 100.
And how many years in a century?
100.
And how many centimeters are there in a meter?
100.
So the word cent always means 100. So when we ask the question, how much is 7% of 300? I'm asking you to count 7 for the first 100, 7 for the second 100, 7 for the third 100, and you get what?
21.
21. And how about 12% of 400?
48.
Okay. And how about 8% of 50?
That would be 4.
Because, man, how do you work that?
Because 50 is half of 100.
Right.
So you have to cut the percent
The percent number in half.
in half.
Excellent. And with that thought in mind, how about 7% of 50?
That would be 3.5.
3.5. Good. Now for one that's a little bit tricky, how about 12, listen to this, listen carefully, 12% of 125.
That would be 12% of 125.
Yeah, 12% of 125. Good job. So I got a new question for you now. 7% of what number is 14? Now this is a little bit different from the last one. Last time I asked you 7% of a number is what? So this time the whole that we were talking about before is not there. So how many times do I have to count 7 to make 14?
200.
Right, each time.
200.
Perfect, good job. And how about 12% of what number is 12?
100.
Straight away. Right? That's pretty easy. Now about 10% of what number is 5?
50.
Whoa, you're really knocking these down. How about 100% of what number is 17?
100% of
What number is 17? This is so easy, it's tricky.
Really?
Yeah, what does 100% mean?
It means the whole.
Right.
Oh.
All of what? All of it.
The whole number.
All of what number is 17?
17.
17, right? See, I told you it's so easy that it's just slightly tricky when you hear it in words.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how about this? How about 6.5% of what number is 13? Let me write that down. 6.5% of what number is 13?
200.
Very good. Nice job. Do one for the one that's not on the card here. How about this? How about 8% of what number is 18? How many times do you have to count 8? You count 8 once is 100. Count 8 again, you get
200.
Now, how much do you have left over?
That's the size you can have.
8 times 2 is what?
16.
Right. Now you need to get from 16 to 18. How far is that?
2.
Okay. So what part of 8 do you need to make 2?
4.
Right.
So
it's
225.
perfect. Good job.